Aloha, small business Ohana. When it's your turn to talk about your business at a networking event, do you clam up? Do you ramble on? Maybe you sell your business offerings. I meet a lot of people and attend many events. This week, I've got 6 on my calendar, and that's just a light week for me. I've heard some incredible introductions, and I've heard some introductions that leave people confused or disinterested. I've been guilty of a bad introduction. With only 30 seconds to share what you do, who your target is, why you're different from your competitors, and the problem that you solve, it can be challenging to get everything in and gain the desired result. Could your introduction work harder for you? I knew mine could. I became a small business owner to own my time and choices without asking permission. I want to help other small business owners take advantage of this aspect of entrepreneurship. And one way to achieve this is by creating powerful connections with your 30-second introduction. You don't have to do it alone. In the Introductions with Mana workshop, you will learn a framework for effective 30-second introductions, apply the framework using a worksheet, and present your introduction in pairs and to the larger group. You'll receive instant feedback on your content and delivery as we workshop your new introduction to be effective and create powerful connections. Your introduction is the first step to building relationships. You'll walk away from the workshop confident with your new introduction in hand. The workshop gave me the structure to improve my introduction, and I hope you'll be one of 10 participants and join me on August 30th at the Introductions with Mana workshop here in Naperville. Click below for details and to register. I appreciate your time and hope you have a wonderful day. Mahalo.